In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to claim a deal. Now, I have a sample deal loaded just to show you how this works. So I'm going to go up here and I'm going to click on Deals. And I'm going to scroll down and you'll see that there is a sample deal here, $100 off. I'm going to click on this deal. And when this loads, it tells me the details about this deal. Again, this is a sample one that I have in here that's offered by Lloyd's Florist. Sample deal only. So if you want to redeem this, you can do so. If you want to send a message to the person offering the deal, you can click on the send message button. We're going to click on the word redeem. Now, if you already have an account on the Wedding Experts, you will just sign in with your email address and password. If you do not have an account, you will want to click on register. And when you do, you can put in your name, first and last, your email address, your password, click the reCAPTCHA button, and then you'll click register. For this tutorial, I'm actually going to sign in. Once I'm logged in, it comes up and it tells me, okay, this deal, and this is my special coupon code. It is a unique coupon code, so you can download your coupon. All you do is click the download button. When you click the download button, it will save this to your computer, or it may pop up and ask you, where do you want to save it? And you will actually have a picture of this coupon code. This is a picture that's saved to the computer that shows that I redeemed this deal, and it gives me my special coupon code that I need to give to that vendor. And that's all you have to do to claim a deal. You can always go to the top right of your screen where your name is, and you can click there, and you can go to Profile. And right here, when you click Redeem Deal, it comes up and it gives you the code that you need to provide to the vendor. It also gives you the option to print it over here on the right.